Welcome to redSling Amplify, a new LinkedIn Live series, where you plug into live innovation and see how today's boldest ideas are shaping tomorrow's industries. redSling Amplify presents Fraunhofer IPA's AI-powered bin picking solution, a breakthrough that redefines what's possible in robotic handling. Why does this matter? Because robotic bin picking, once a high-risk, high-cost gamble, is now being transformed by artificial intelligence, digital simulation, and digital precision. Leading this transformation is Dr. Richard Bormann, Research Team Lead, Handling Processes and Dexterity. Join us live as Dr. Richard Bormann reveals how simulation-driven AI is revolutionizing bin picking, and witness it firsthand through a dynamic, real-time demo. What you'll discover: virtual feasibility studies that cut costs, AI-powered bin picking with real-world agility, how redSling powers rapid innovation with platformless deployment and 3D visualization. Save the date, Thursday, 25th September. Register now. redSling Amplify. Plug into live innovation.